day. I'm Bill Stuh with the Florida Aviation Network, coming at you live from Las Vegas at the Convention Center on this wonderful Tuesday, October 17th, at the National Business Aviation Administration Conference taking place here in Las Vegas. This is an amazing show. Huge number of vendors are here. Everything you can imagine: aircraft maintenance, headsets, software, hardware, the major aviation manufacturers. This is an amazing event, and if you've never checked it out before, you really should. Thank you very much. With the Florida Aviation Network, I'm Bill Stuh.